Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve the problem of the SIM card not being detected or the SIM card not showing up or working on your phone. It's a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's get started. The first step, my friend, is to go to Settings. After going to Settings, go to Mobile Networks, then tap on SIM card management. Here you will find all your SIM cards. Make sure that the cards are enabled like this. This is the first step, my friend. The second step, my friend, is to go back and go to your phone's settings, then go to Applications, then go to Applications again, then tap on the three small dots at the top here. After that, tap on Show System Processes so that the default phone system applications appear. Here you will look for the SIM Toolkit application. Look for the SIM Toolkit Management application. After that, tap on it, then tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Data. This process that we have done will reset the SIM Toolkit settings to the default settings, and therefore, if you have any problems, they will be solved. After that, my friend, it is essential that you restart your phone. This step is very important, so you must do it.